Clean bite. Elephants often shake or tap grass with their trunks to remove sand and soil before eating. Smart trunk. Their trunk is sensitive enough to feel tiny grains and dust on the grass. Elephants often pick up grass with their trunks and shake or tap it to remove sand and soil before eating. Their sensitive trunk can feel tiny grains of dirt, helping them clean the food first. This careful habit protects their teeth and stomach from rough sand while grazing. Healthy habit.